Welcome to Eagle's Eye Corner, where curiosity meets education. What if the Earth stops rotating for some seconds? What would happen? Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped rotating? What chaos will unfold in just a few seconds? Imagine this: you're casually strolling down the street engrossed in your phone, then suddenly, BAM! The Earth halts its spin. Would you even notice, or would the world glitch like a poorly programmed video game? Well, let's dive into this wild scenario and explore the chaos that could ensue. First, let's understand what we mean by Earth rotation. The Earth spins around its axis, completing one full rotation approximately every 24 hours. This rotation is responsible for the day-night cycle we experience. At the equator, the Earth spins at an astonishing speed of about 1,670 kilometers per hour, faster than a commercial jet. Viewed from above the North Pole, the Earth rotates counterclockwise. But why does this matter? The rotation of the Earth is crucial for several reasons. It creates the day-night cycle that we rely on for our daily activities. It influences weather patterns through the Coriolis effects, which helps determine wind and ocean currents. It plays a vital role in generating Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. In essence, the Earth's rotation keeps everything running smoothly. Since everything on the planet is moving with it, we don't even notice its movement. Much like being on a plane cruising at high altitude, you don't feel the speed because everything is moving together. What happens if the Earth stops rotating? Now, let's imagine a scenario where the Earth suddenly slams the brakes for just a few seconds. What will happen? First off, everything that isn't firmly anchored to the ground, including you, would be launched forward at over 1,000 miles per hour. Cars, buildings, trees, everything would be sent flying. The atmosphere wouldn't stop either, creating winds stronger than any hurricane ever recorded. To put this into perspective, a Category 5 hurricane has winds around 250 kilometers per hour. Now, imagine winds 4 times stronger than that, hitting everything at once. Staying on your feet, not a chance. And what about the oceans? They'll go into tsunami mode. Water doesn't just stop because the land does. Massive tsunamis will crash into coastlines, and the entire ocean will slosh around like a giant angry bathtub. Let's not forget about the earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The sudden stop of the Earth will send shockwaves through the planet, triggering earthquakes and possibly even volcanic eruptions. So if flying derbies and mega tsunamis didn't get you, the ground itself might. A few seconds later, would everything just go back to normal? Now, let's say those chaotic seconds pass and the Earth starts spinning again. Do we just dust ourselves off and move on? Not quite. The atmosphere will still be in turmoil. Even if the ground starts moving again, the air, the water, and debris will still be playing catch-up, leading to continued storms, winds, and destruction for hours, if not days. Climate disruption will be massive. Even a brief pause could wreak havoc on Earth's wind and ocean currents. potentially causing extreme temperature shifts. One half of the planet could be stuck in eternal daylight, scorching under the sun like an overcooked pizza, while the other half freezes into an ice-covered wasteland. Imagine a scenario where the Sahara meets Antarctica, except it's way worse. And what about the moon? Earth's rotation affects the moon's orbit, so even a short stop could cause slight shifts that impact tide and gravitational forces. Would these changes be noticeable immediately? Probably not, but over time, who knows what could happen. So, could the Earth actually stop rotating? Should we be worried? Now, let's address this elephant in the room. Could the Earth actually stop rotating? Should we be worried about this possibility? The good news is that there's zero chance of this happening anytime. There's nothing in physics that suggests that the Earth could suddenly stop rotating, at least not without something catastrophic, like an asteroid the size of a planet crashing into us. In that case, we would have much bigger problems to worry about. While it's true that Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, it's at an incredibly tiny rate of about 1.7 milliseconds per century. So while we don't have to worry about the planet suddenly slamming to a stop, it's still fun and slightly terrifying to imagine. Until then, let's enjoy the fact that the Earth is still rotating, and maybe hold on to something, just in case. Haha, just kidding. If you found this exploration a chaotic what-if scenario both fascinating and mildly terrifying, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing science content. Would love to hear from you. What's another crazy what-if scenario you want us to break down next? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.